What's going on, guys? Billy here, and today I have got an update video for you. I try to do one of these like every season, but I think the last one I did was actually last summer when I first got my DJI Inspire 2. So, like with all my update videos, I've got 3 different topics. First of all, I'm in a brand new studio, a brand new space shooting videos. Second of all, I've got some brand new goals, and also third of all, I've got some brand new ideas. So you might be wondering, what is the difference with this shooting space when I've pretty much got the same backdrop, microphone, camera, and lights that I've been using for the past 8 or 10 months to make the videos for this channel. And the biggest difference is now I'm just in a brand new location. I pretty much picked up everything and then moved it here. Now, I used to make all my videos at my apartment that I stayed at when I was going to school during the school year, and now for the summer I've moved back home and I've got free reign of my whole entire basement, and I'm trying to turn this whole level of my house into a studio to create my YouTube videos. Now, it might seem like a little bit much to turn an entire level of your house into a place just to shoot videos, but to be fair, my mom pretty much only used this basement to store things. I was able to kind of weed through that stuff, put it into a corner, and now I've got a ton of room to shoot down here, and it feels nice because at my apartment, I was very condensed. I felt like I was claustrophobic, and whenever I would shoot a video, I would have to reset everything up. I wasn't able to just keep everything where it was. I pretty much had to collapse all my lights, collapse my tripod, put away my microphone so I could actually live in the space rather than walk around my lights. So now all I have to do is come down here, push a button, and I'm recording. And that feels great because setting up your equipment before you have to shoot really is a huge barrier. Now, this is not a brand new space. I actually used to shoot my videos during freshman and sophomore year right here in this basement. If you guys remember, I had like a blank white backdrop and I felt like that was a little bit boring, so I added the desk, but I feel like there's definitely some flaws with the desk. So right now, you're gonna have to pardon my appearance because that wall behind me is actually just plain drywall, and there's like a crack running right above my head. So I've got to paint that. I've got to figure out what color I want to paint it. And for the next 2 weeks, it's probably going to be that gray color, but I will eventually get it painted and it's going to look awesome. Now, there's another problem I have with this whole entire set, and I want your guys' opinion. So if you could leave a comment down below, that would be awesome. And that is just the whole entire desk. I think I need something behind me so it's not just a flat color, because again, I think that's a little bit boring. But I also think that the monitor that's surrounding my head is a little bit distracting. So I'm thinking about, rather than having my desk behind me, moving my desk somewhere so I can work at another spot and then put some sort of decorations behind me. So let me know what you guys think, because I think when I edit these videos, the monitor is a little bit distracting. Anyway, guys, I can't wait to show that to you guys when it's finished, this space down here. I want to build 3 different sets. So one for these talking shots, another specifically for B-roll, and then another specifically for podcasting. So it's going to be awesome. I can't wait to share the journey with you. I can't wait to share that end product with you because I love watching those studio tours. I love watching where people work because it only gives me better ideas on how to improve my own space that I work in. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is new goals for myself, not only for my YouTube channel, but also personal goals. And I feel like this is getting really deep, but anyway, I wanted to share it with you guys. Now, over the past year, I feel like I've been neglecting my YouTube channel. Maybe some of you guys have noticed, because the uploads have come to be like once every other week, once a week, and I want to get back to uploading constantly. I think that I strayed away from YouTube because I got my Part 107. I found myself wanting to get as many clients as possible. Then I got really busy, and then I was also trying to juggle the commercial drone work with school work, and then also I had to shoot YouTube videos. But it's come to my attention that I've been slacking on the uploads, and I want to make YouTube my #1 priority. You know, I'm really not sure exactly what sparked this motivation in me. It probably was moving to this brand new space. I love having so much more room. As I said, I was so cramped inside of my apartment, and that big barrier that was kind of standing in between planning a video and shooting a video, of having to set everything back up, sucked the motivation out of me. So a tip I can give you guys, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel and you want to start posting regular content, have a space where you can come and have everything set up and just push a couple of buttons and start shooting, rather than having to spend 10 minutes and set everything up, because it really can suck the motivation out of you. Now, this brings me to my third thing that I want to talk about in this video, and that is brand new ideas that I have for content for this channel, for other channels, just new ways that I can pump out more content for you guys to enjoy, because I love creating. I love that satisfaction of finishing a video and uploading it. And I've thought of a couple of different ways that I can create content and share it with you. And I feel like that's all that I can say right now. I can just tell you guys to be on the lookout for this new content, because I've got all these ideas in my head that are just spinning and spinning around. I've got a huge spreadsheet of like everything that I want to do. And one of them, I guess I will share with you guys right now, are some paid videos I'm going to release on a brand new website. It's going to consist of these guides I'll talk more about it in the future when the time comes, but I've seen a lot of people do like these full camera guides. You know, they're 14, 15, sometimes 20 episodes about that one camera. You purchase that guide, it teaches you everything about the camera, and I feel like there's nothing like that for drones, and drones are a lot more complicated than just a camera because it's got a camera on it, but it's also an aircraft. So that's something that's been spinning up in my mind. If there's any specific content you guys want to see, let me know down in the comment section because I am always open for ideas, and I never turn away a good idea. So guys, I think that about wraps up this video. Let me know what you guys think of this whole setup behind me because I want to figure out something that works to put behind me rather than just having this desk because I feel like it's a little bit old and we need to switch it up. And also, that monitor is just really annoying. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking with me for this update video if you made it this far. I know that they're pretty boring, but I like to upload these every once in a while just so that we're all on the same page. And I think it's more for me than you guys because it helps me figure out what I want to do. And yeah, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, I'll talk to you later. Peace. I did that weird.